I have an array right over here and I'm going to implement quick sort on it. In quick sort, what you're going to do, step number one, okay, the way I do quick sort is that the last element inside of the array, okay, is going to be called your pivot. I'm going to call this pivot. Okay, pivot meaning this, spelled out like that. Okay, so that's going to be our pivot. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to take the pivot and you're going to bring it outside of the array. Okay, so this is going to be our pivot. Whatever is smaller than the pivot inside of this array, you're going to put on the left of the pivot. So you can see 6 is smaller, so 6 comes there. 6 is the smallest, and then 8 comes over here. Then whatever is greater than the pivot, you're going to put on the right hand side. Okay, so in this array, you're going to choose another pivot. Okay, and we're going to choose the rightmost element, and whatever is smaller than the 8 is going to come to the left side of the 8. So here we go. 9 you're going to leave as is. Okay, you're not going to bring it down or anything. Then we're going to choose a pivot in this array, which is 24. Right, so pivot is 24. You're going to put 24 in the middle. Whatever is smaller than 24 is going to come on the left. Whatever is greater than 24 is going to come on the right. Now this is the array that needs further breaking up. Okay, so this is going to be our pivot, and now what you're going to do is that you're going to put the pivot 93 down there, and you're going to whatever is smaller than 93 is going to come on the left. So it's just 65, 78, 78. You're going to break this array further. Okay, you're going to write the pivot down first. Alright, and then whatever is smaller than that is going to come on the left. Whatever is greater is going to come on the right. So 65 comes there. So now this is essentially all of your quicksort done. Then the last step is just taking up each individual element and putting it down. Alright, so you're going to have 6 inside of this array. You're going to put it down. You're going to then have an 8. Let's put this in like that. Then you're going to have an 8. After that you're going to have a 9. Then you're going to have a 24. Then you're going to have a 65. Then you're going to have a 78. Then you're going to have a 93. So this is your final array. Sort it out. This is using quicksort. So yeah, thanks for watching.